Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best GE Appliances is probably one of the most recognizable names in home innovation, consistently delivering reliable and efficient products that have graced kitchens and laundry rooms for generations. And today we're diving deep into what makes them a standout choice for modern homeowners seeking a blend of classic dependability and cutting-edge technology. Number 5. GMWF Refrigerator Water Filter. Ensure your family drinks the purest water with our advanced filtration system. It's certified to reduce over 50 impurities, including lead and microplastics, for healthier hydration. This filter is designed for a perfect fit with select GE Appliances French door and side-by-side refrigerators. Enjoy seamless compatibility with GE Profile, Cafe, and Monogram brands. Buy with confidence knowing this genuine filter meets strict NSF/ANSI drinking water standards. It's certified to improve your water quality, unlike unverified alternatives. Replacing your water filter has never been easier. Installation requires no tools and no need to shut off your water supply. For the best results, replace your filter every 6 months. You can also enroll in our Subscribe and Save program for automatic deliveries when it's time. What we like. This filter offers premium filtration, certified to reduce over 50 impurities including lead and pharmaceuticals. If you are looking for the purest water for your family, this is the one to choose. It's also incredibly easy to install, making it a hassle-free upgrade for your refrigerator. What people say. The General Electric refrigerator has a sleek stainless steel design that looks great in any kitchen. This GE model features an energy-efficient operation, saving on electricity bills. The spacious interior and adjustable shelves provide ample storage for groceries. Number 4. AMI Parts WR51X10055 Refrigerator Defrost Heater Kit. Introducing the AMI Parts WR51X10055 Refrigerator Defrost Heater Kit. This essential component is designed to keep your refrigerator running efficiently. This kit includes a defrost heater, a temperature sensor, and a high-limit thermostat. Together, they ensure your food stays fresh and your appliance operates optimally. The defrost heater works to melt away ice and frost buildup around the coils. This helps maintain the ideal temperature for better food storage. The included sensor accurately reads the current temperature and sends this information to the control board. This ensures precise temperature regulation within your unit. The high-limit thermostat acts as a safety feature. It cuts off power when the defrost temperature reaches a specific level, preventing potential issues. This kit is the perfect solution for common problems like a fridge that's too warm, a freezer that's not defrosting, or excessive frost buildup. We offer a 180-day quality assurance period and a dedicated support team. If you have any questions, we're here to help you solve your refrigerator problems easily. What we like. This kit provides a complete defrost solution, fixing common refrigerator issues like frost buildup and warm compartments. If your fridge isn't defrosting properly, this is the perfect fix. With professional after-sale support, you can buy with confidence and easily solve your refrigerator problems. What people say. The General Electric refrigerator has a sleek stainless steel design that looks great in any kitchen. Its spacious interior offers ample storage for groceries, with adjustable shelves to accommodate various items. The energy-efficient operation of this GE appliance helps reduce electricity consumption. Number 3. General Pipe Cleaner Super-Vee Electric Drain Cleaner. Introducing a powerful, handheld system designed to tackle drain lines. It offers both portability and efficiency for your toughest clogs. This unit comes complete with a 25-foot, 1/4-inch Flexicore cable. It's ready to handle drain lines from 1 to 1/4 to 2 inches in diameter. Experience the unparalleled strength of its Flex-I-Core cable. It provides the perfect balance of flexibility and durability. Constructed with heavy-gauge wire coiled tightly around aircraft-type wire rope, this cable is built to last. It's the perfect solution for clearing blockages in sink, tub, and shower drains. Get the job done with ease. What we like. This machine offers a portable yet powerful solution for cleaning drain lines. If you're dealing with stubborn clogs in sinks, tubs, or showers, its durable cable is designed to tackle them effectively. Its handheld design makes it ideal for quick and efficient use around the house. What people say. The General Electric refrigerator has a sleek stainless steel design that looks great in any kitchen. Its spacious interior offers ample storage for groceries, with adjustable shelves to accommodate various items. The energy-efficient operation of this GE appliance helps reduce electricity consumption, leading to potential savings on utility bills. Number 2. GE WR55X10942 Refrigerator Main Control Board. This is the main control board assembly for your refrigerator. It is a genuine replacement part designed to keep your appliance running smoothly. This component is responsible for managing most of your refrigerator's functions. Without it, your appliance may not operate correctly. If your refrigerator is not working, this control board is likely the part you need. It ensures all systems are communicating properly. Ensure you are getting a genuine replacement part for optimal performance and longevity. This is an authentic part from the manufacturer. Get your refrigerator back to its optimal working condition with this essential control board. It's designed to fit and function just like the original. What we like. This is a genuine replacement part that controls the majority of your refrigerator's functions. If your refrigerator is not operating correctly, this control board is likely the component you need. Choosing a genuine part ensures your appliance runs as intended. What people say. The General Electric refrigerator has a spacious interior with adjustable shelves, making it easy to organize groceries. Its energy-efficient design helps reduce electricity consumption, leading to lower utility bills. The built-in water and ice dispenser provides convenient access to chilled water and ice without needing to open the door. Number 1. General Electric WB30T10132 Radiant Surface Element. Ensure your cooktop is working perfectly with this genuine GE replacement part. It's designed to seamlessly fit and function like the original. This radiant surface element provides consistent and even heat for all your cooking needs. Enjoy reliable performance every time you use your appliance. Replacing your old element is straightforward with this part. Get your cooktop back to its optimal condition quickly and easily. Crafted with durability in mind, this element is built to last. It's a dependable choice for maintaining your kitchen's functionality. Designed specifically for GE cooktops, this part guarantees a perfect fit. You can trust its compatibility and performance. Don't let a faulty element disrupt your cooking. Restore your appliance's full capabilities with this essential replacement. What we like. This is a genuine GE radiant surface element, designed as a direct replacement for your cooktop. If your existing element is no longer heating, this part will restore your cooking function. It's the perfect choice for getting your stove back to full working order. What people say. The General Electric refrigerator has a spacious interior with adjustable shelves, making it easy to organize groceries. Its energy-efficient design helps reduce electricity consumption, leading to lower utility bills. The built-in water and ice dispenser provides convenient access to chilled water and ice without opening the door. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.